Point number one, very, very common important thing. Especially option buyer required more clarity of direction compared to an option seller. Okay. The option clarity of direction is very, very important. So first of all, how in a basic way we can understand the clarity of direction on an option trading perspective. In general, it can be an option buyer or seller. Again, I repeat, direction is very much important. Even if anyone is doing option selling, time-based option selling, again, you will be doing on a directional perspective for a better opportunity to make money. For an example, in this case, today I was connected in the live market session. I was showcasing few things which an option retail traders do and easily lose money in the market. So here the point number one is, so first of all, what I was looking on this today's live session, on today's stream of live stream. First of all, market ne gap down opening here. Market has given a gap down opening. So first information is sellers are there. So unhone gap down opening here. So what is the first reaction as an option trader we need to do? First of all, don't jump into the market on the first few minutes just because of gap down opening, a gap opening scenario create or don't jump into the market aggressively executing trade in first minimum 10 minutes. Okay, I'm speaking purely about an intraday option trader. Chahe of option buying karo, option selling karo, the rules remains the same. Gap up, gap down opening, first 10 minutes or minimum first 5 minutes. First 5 minutes minimum, don't be aggressive in taking trades. Because most traders, what they see is, sir, Bank Nifty is on the pre-market. What is the mentality of a common trader is? By 9-7, Bank Nifty is showing something around 350 points minus. Here it was showing something around 450 points minus, right? So Bank Nifty dikha raha 450 point minus, sir. Market is opening on the lower end of the start of the session. So immediately we will go and take put option, sir, or we will short the call option, sir. First of all, try to understand when markets are opening gap up or gap down. Have you ever tried to understand what is the India VIX? Have you ever, anyone have closely checked what is the behavior of India VIX on the first few ticks of the market? Can you see here? This is today's market open. Market open hua. What is the time here? Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So here this is the, yes. This is the time where the market has opened. VIX yahan pe khula, right? Okay. Morning gap down opening. So generally what happens? VIX react completely opposite on the opening peak. Matlab gap down ka opening matlab VIX will rise. Gap down opening. This is the start of the day. You could see 7th of September. This is the start of the day. Gap down opening means what generally happens? VIX will rise and give up open. So matlab VIX rise ho raha hai on the opening peak. Is there any benefit for an option seller first 5 minutes? 101% no. There will be no benefit for an option seller because there will be on the sudden rise in VIX, there will be no premium decay. Very less chance there might be a premium decay, but the premium decay will be on the pre-market itself. Once the market opening on the first tick or first 1 or 2 minutes, the premium decay will happen for an option seller. Okay. So gap down ko opening premium decay is happening on which strike price the premium decay will be more. Gap down opening matlab call option mein premium decay will be more. Because call option the trade is against, because of gap down opening the trade is against, so call option automatically there will be a aggressive fall in the premium price, option premium. So straight away VIX is trying to shoot up. What is the information we are getting here? Do we want to fight against the VIX? There is no chance. First of all, we can't even predict the VIX. What the VIX will do, no one can predict in the market. What a VIX can do, even on any time of market, predicting the VIX is almost, what I can tell is next to impossible. Because VIX suddenly it can spike up, spike down, spike up, spike down. It's different on various factors. There is no such factor, but for an option price to move up or move down, India VIX plays a very important role. That is called volatility plays a very important role. And one more thing, if I open an option chain chart to show you as an option trader, okay, yeah, as I mentioned, I'm not pointing any option buying or option selling kind of scenario here. Just a common option trader. Very important. If I'm opening an option chain which is in front of you, I believe my audio is clear enough. Just if anyone can just type yes if the audio is clear enough. Okay, thank you so much. So now for an option trader, what are all the data points which is important? Even because I opened your option chain chart, not to go in detail about option chain, but I want few things here in an option chain. That is IV of the option. Here you could see one column here, IV of the options. Okay, this is the IV of the option which you could see. What is the put side IV? 24, 25, call side IV 28 to 30. So this is a normal IV in the market. This is in general a normal IV in the market. Matlab, in terms of there is no heavy weightage, this market closed. So this is the closing basis of the market. But on the opening tick before market, it's not about every day you want to check, but during any kind of gap down or a gap up aggressive more than 1%, probably it will be better if you have a filter of keeping if any gap down or gap up more than 1%. Just make sure as an option trader, minimum look what is the IV. Okay, what is the basic IV in general for Bank Nifty, which runs around 25 to 30, means it's a normal flat IV. There is no major change on the IV. I'm speaking about on the at the money strike price. Okay, on at the money strike price, it's only where we can check better result we will get based on the what is the IV of the option. Okay, call or put only during the gap up or gap down, because IV India VIX volatility plays a major role for an option trader. Okay, so that is what India VIX is rising up because of gap down opening. Matlab, there is an uncertainty in the option price. There will be an higher chance of uncertainty in the option price. मतलब क्या करना है सर? Aggressive बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Okay, just relax. Minimum 5 minutes. Market कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. Okay, market 3:30 तक. Market is open till 3:30. Okay, market we have enormous amount of time to react. But problem what retailers have is, sir, gap down opening, sir, we will do jump and take trade put option, sir, we will jump and trade call option, sir. Why? आपको यहाँ पे you are here to do any stunt here in first 5 minutes 10 minutes. There is any rule कि आपने market खुला 10 मिनट order execute and you came out of the market. Nothing like that, right? आराम से first 5 minutes, don't be in any urgent mode, and then on an simple chart option buying आप करना चाह रहे हो, option selling करना चाह रहे हो, basically direction. Where is the price compared to the same zone last time when price was trading? मतलब यहाँ पे खुला 39,450. पहले 5 मिनट तो हम ज्यादा कुछ रिएक्शन नहीं कर रही है. फर्स्ट 5 मिनट इज बेटर टू स्टे रिलैक्स. आफ्टर दैट फर्स्ट 5 मिनट का कैंडल whether it is closing above VWAP or closing below VWAP, हमारा सिंपल काम है ये चीज चेक कर. मतलब फर्स्ट 5 मिनट के बाद यहाँ पे प्राइस VWAP के ऊपर क्लोज हो, मतलब ये जो गैप डाउन सेलर्स थे उन्होंने फॉलो अप मोमेंटम नहीं दी. There was no follow up momentum from the sellers who are those gap down का morning sellers. मतलब यही पे after that if price started spending above VWAP or trying to go down, trying to come back to VWAP, मतलब picture is very clear. Okay, because what one more kind of trading what traders do is, sir VWAP के ऊपर close हुआ, इस candle के ऊपर हम जाके buy, we will be taking a bullish position. इसके नीचे stop loss रखेंगे because sellers are not closing the price below VWAP, price will move up. So this is called as rule based approach. Blindly market just looking at any previous chart and blindly paying a rule based approach. Okay, if you are into option trading, there is one exceptional case, option selling कर रहे हो, and in terms of option selling, screen is not visible. Sir, I believe the screen is visible to everyone because screens are very clear enough. Just anyone facing voice or screen issue, just simply rejoin the session. That's it. Okay. So, matlab, on an option selling perspective, rule based trading is fine enough. So, rule based trading ka matlab nowadays option selling mein one famous rule based is the time based straddle, shorting the straddle at 9:20, 9:25, 9:30, whatever time of the market. It's rule based straddle. That's an exceptional case. Other than that, for an option buying, okay, don't make sure not be aggressively following any kind of rules on the initial first few minutes of market. मतलब gap down हुआ, VWAP के ऊपर close हुआ, तो मतलब मैं इस candle के ऊपर blindly I'll be taking my bullish position. I'll be placing stop loss below this. Don't have this blind mentality. Do this basic research. I'm not telling the way this way of trading is wrong, but where is the price? आपको ये चीज simple देख लो, 39,450 के आसपास price has opened. Where is the last time when price was at 39,450 or 39,500? What was the reaction? आपको यहाँ पे buyers sellers is secondary, but आप just make sure to understand what is the reaction. मतलब what happened here? Up move, price trying to come down, up move, market close, next day shoot up. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं this was at lower levels. Somehow strong buyers, weak buyers, that's not a topic here. Somehow the buyers were into the picture. मतलब आप एक पिक्चर तो यहाँ से क्लियर कर लो कि पुट ऑप्शन में फोकस करने से ऑन एन ऑप्शन बायर ज्यादा बेनिफिट मिलने वाला नहीं है. If you are focusing in a perspective of okay, screen is visible and voice will be also clear now. There will be no issue on the voice. Okay, so if you are in a perspective of focusing on direction, minimum scene is very clear here. Up move, pull back, again an up move came in, next day market is clearly trying to move towards upside. So one picture is becoming very clear. कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पे buyers आ सकते हैं. I'm not telling they will come, but they can come on multiple layers. How the multiple layers playing out? How the multiple layers will be playing out? Here, there's one chance buyers can come on this pullback or below this level or in this congested zone. Buyers can minimum one time come for a difference. तो price वहीं पे trade कर रहा है. हमको एक चीज यहाँ पे clear है that no, not focusing on any kind of bearish side or planning any put option buying, shorting the call option. No, because in this, why and this concept can be used every day in the market. I will tell you. जस्ट आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पे ओपन है 30 मिनट का टाइम. मार्केट का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है आपको समझो. सिंपली जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर, वेयर इज द प्राइस ट्रेडिंग एंड व्हाट इज द बेसिक मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर. बिकॉज ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग करना है तो ये बेसिक मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर को समझना पड़ेगा. इफ यू आर इनटू डायरेक्शनल ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग, you need to have a basic understanding the structure of market. What is the price behavior of the market? मतलब there are only three ways of price behavior. One, aggressively moving up, aggressively moving down. Second, going into sideways, narrow range. Third, wide range of sideways in a broader, bigger type range. मतलब आप, can anyone tell me whether the current bank nifty chart, 30-minute का chart which is in front of your eyes, right? I have zoomed out the chart. Now tell me whether the market bank nifty is in the stage 1 or stage 2 or stage 3. Just type your answer 1, 2 or 3. Everyone just make an attempt. This is not just for a sake I'm asking, because this is very, very important. Just everyone check the chat box. Traders will give different answer. No one will give answer 1, but there will be a difference. Few will give 2, few will give 3. Just open the chat box after answering your question. Just check the chat box. Can you see the chat box? Few are telling about 2, few are telling about 3. I will give you quick 20 seconds. Just everyone try to answer this. Whether the current stage of market on the bank nifty on a 30-minute chart which is in front of you, whether it is stage 1, stage 2 or stage 3. Can you see traders have variance answer more or into 2 or 3? Okay. So I will tell you how to understand whether the price is in stage 2 or stage 3 or stage 1. Okay. Very simple. Just zoom further the chart, zoom out the chart. Okay. This was an up move which was coming in very fast. Probably in just 1 month, Bank Nifty from 32,500 it came to 39,500 straight away. मतलब कितना point हुआ? 7,000 point का jump straight away on Bank Nifty in just 1 month. This was stage 1. So now, whether it is in stage 2 or stage 3, how to understand? Here from this slope till this point, how much point here? 2,000 points, right? 2,000 points, matlab probably 7 to 8%. This is called as wild range. This is stage 3. What does mean by stage 2? Stage 2 means price on Bank Nifty stuck anything below or around 5% range. Maximum 6% range, that is called as stage 2, where option buyers will be struggling to make money or they will be under more pressure because price will like overlap the VWAP, suddenly up move, come back to VWAP, suddenly overlap it, suddenly down move, this VWAP. Okay, this generally happens more and more and more in this stage 2 because the market is higher level resistance, lower level support. So ये जो stage है, this is stage 3 of the market. In this stage 3 of the market, we need to understand there is, just check on 30 minutes, a time period around say 30 minutes. It's way far fine enough. 30 minutes में आपको clear cut approach मिल जाएगा. Okay. 30 minutes में you will get a clear approach as I am only focusing here for intraday. So what we need to do in this stage of price behavior is very simple. That is where this zone, looking at the zone and reacting will help you a lot. Help you and lot. The way like this, as on the 5-minute time frame, as an option trader, multiple layer of defense is there. So मतलब multiple layer of defense is there. Higher level का sellers are trying to come. मतलब क्या scene is? Higher level sellers, lower level buyers. What is the high probability here? Whether from here market can be trending up, trending down, or it can go into sideways. This is what I was trying to explain from morning. Don't be in an urgent on Bank Nifty. This is just a trap market. This is what I was trying to tell everyone on the morning live market session. This is higher probability. Okay. It's not about I'm just speaking in the aftermarket session. I'm just telling everything after the chart. Same thing I was more into instructing traders on Bank Nifty. Don't be aggressive. Bank Nifty is just in a trapping mode. उसके अलावा Bank Nifty में कुछ और नहीं हो रहा है. If I add VWAP, I will show you more clarity here. This is where VWAP. So using VWAP, there are many ways. One way is this. Can you see this? Candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10 candles, minimum price is touching VWAP one time. At which location? नीचे से buyers, lower level buyers, higher level sellers. If these buyers were really stronger, what would have taken place? Price was moving up, pull back or straight away rejection. यहाँ पे time pass बिल्कुल भी नहीं करेंगे. Why I am telling they will not do time pass is because those traders who are looking at this gap down and planning a short side trade, put option trade, bearish trade, if the price started moving up, pullback and rejection, first these are the traders, they will be panicking. Multiple layer of all their stop losses will start getting triggered. So this up move will become more easy. And from the lower level buyers, we could have seen a strength. Price would have straight back came to the 39,800 levels. But यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Moving up, moving down, up, down, up, down, up, down. First 10 candles are overlapping the VWAP, minimum touching one time. What I have a rule is 6 candles. That is 30 minutes. Continuously price started overlapping the VWAP. I'll be staying away until price clearly trying to move up, pullback or rejection, or clearly trying to move up, clearly trying to move down, pullback or rejection, or trading clearly below VWAP or trading clearly above VWAP. This is for, I'm speaking for an option buyer perspective. I'm speaking here all this as of now from the chart which I started is now the perspective of option buyer. यहाँ पे 6 कैंडल से ऊपर ओवरलैप 30 मिनट के ऊपर ओवरलैप कर रहा है, बायर्स आर देयर, बायर्स इंटरेस्टेड जोन इज देयर, ऊपर से गैप डाउन के सेलर्स आने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ये बायर्स असली में स्ट्रांग है, तो इन्होंने कभी मॉर्निंग ही अप पुल बैक और रिजेक्ट करके आराम से ऊपर मूव, दे वुड हैव मेड इट वेरी इजीली, बट उन्होंने वो चीज नहीं किया. Now those who are into the live session, they will be aware ki why I was not planning aggressive trade on the morning. I was more instructing every traders to just stay relaxed. If you are a directional trader, no point in aggressively taking trades, especially on the bank. Those who are in the live session, they will be aware of it. Okay. Those who are not joined the live session, this is the main reason what I was looking. तो मतलब आपको ये चीज समझ आ चुका है यहाँ पे ऑप्शन बायर को कब ट्रेड नहीं करना, when not to trade. Okay, when not to trade, मतलब similar applies for an option directional option seller. Those who are only instinctively going and planning any shorting call option or shorting put option. Here I am not speaking about the directional time-based straddle sellers. They can do both because of premium decay, they might get benefit, but in a simple perspective of a one-sided option trader, I will use, this will be a good word, one-sided option buyer or option seller, but one-sided option trader. Okay, this is what when not to do. यहीं पे हम ट्रेडर्स मैक्सिमम गेट स्टक. उसके बाद अभी आपको वॉल्यूम प्लॉट करके भी दिखाऊंगा, वॉल्यूम भी कुछ आया नहीं, वॉल्यूम वाज नॉट मच कमिंग इनटू द पिक्चर. वॉल्यूम वाज नॉट मच कमिंग इन. आप एक चीज नोटिस करो कि जो भी ऊपर नीचे वाला मूव हो चुका था उसके बाद की आप वॉल्यूम जस्ट ड्रॉप, लुक एट द ड्रॉप इन वॉल्यूम, कंपेयर कैसे करो, कंपेयर इट विद ईयर. ओके, ये सब चीज मैं रोज ही लाइव मार्केट में करता रहता हूं सर. आई एम बीन डूइंग इट द लाइव सेशन फॉर द लास्ट वीक फॉर फ्री, बट हाउ मेनी ट्रेडर्स आर इंटरेस्टेड टू जॉइन? दोस हु आर जॉइनिंग, वी आर गेटिंग द अंडरस्टैंडिंग द प्राइस बिहेवियर. उनको पहले तो ये चीज समझ आ गया कब ट्रेड नहीं करना, किस जोन पे रिएक्ट करना, और ऑन व्हिच जोन वी शुड फोकस ऑन ट्रेड. Okay, so first of all, many traders have this question whether the volumes on the spot chart, whether it is working or not. I have no idea because in spot chart no one can trade. So वहां से in that spot chart how the volumes are coming in, I have no idea. So better on the volume part, focus on the future will be better. And one more problem which many traders have, can we see spot chart or future chart? समझ लो बात सिंपल है, आपको वीवा प्लॉट करना है, क्लियर कट वीवा प्लॉट करना है, फ्यूचर चार्ट में प्लॉट कर सकते हो. स्पॉट चार्ट as of now I don't think it can be plotted. उसके बाद अभी कोई अपडेट ट्रेडिंग व्यू में आ चुका तो आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट इट, बट ऑन जनरल स्पॉट चार्ट में वीवा प्लॉट नहीं कर सकते हो. आप वीवा के ट्रेडर हो तो आप सीधा सीधा स्पॉट चार्ट में प्लॉट करना मुश्किल होगा वीवा, तो आपका स्पॉट चार्ट कोई काम का ही नहीं है. तो you have to use it straight away on the future chart only. Okay, this is the stage point 1 and point 2 which I was trying to explain you on the option trading. This is what again Angel One is providing VWAP on spot chart. Sir, I don't know what brokers are providing, what others are providing. This broker might provide, trading you might provide. I don't bother that. To be honest, for me, I am using VWAP on future chart for more than many years. तो मैं आराम से फ्यूचर चार्ट में फोकस करता हूँ. स्पॉट चार्ट से मुझे ज्यादा कुछ चार्ट में मतलब नहीं. Where before entering an option trade, what I do is I just check the spot value. That's it. मतलब समझ लो स्पॉट 39,300 ट्रेड कर रहा है और फ्यूचर 39,450 ट्रेड कर रहा है. I choose option strike price based on the spot level. मैं सिर्फ स्पॉट चार्ट इसीलिए यूज करता हूँ, चार्ट भी खोलता नहीं हूँ. I don't open even the spot chart. Straight away I see what is the spot value. I just, for choosing option strike price, I use spot value. That's it. मुझे उससे ज्यादा स्पॉट में कोई मतलब नहीं है. Okay, everything I look at is on a future chart because there is no problem on future. If I want to plot volume, I can plot volume. If I want to plot VWAP, I can plot VWAP. If I want to look any other various chart, like if I want to look any other order flow chart or any other market profile chart or any other chart, for me, the plotting of the future chart is comfortable for me. Because why I'm looking spot levels for choosing option strike price, because option price moves based on the spot level only. Both option and future chart price moves based on the spot level only. For that case, I'm looking at the spot chart. Bas, simple. Okay. And one more thing, today in this session, I was speaking about the option DK, how to check it. You can watch the video of the live stream if you want to understand this one. And also, I've already updated on the Twitter how to check the option premium DK. So next, what is this? On an option buyer's perspective, option seller's perspective, to common direction is required to understand the one-sided option trade. So now one more question which might come into your mind is, sir, only with the help of VWAP can we understand the direction. I will tell you, with the VWAP along with the where price is trading. मतलब समझ लो यहाँ पे दो ही possibility है सर. Price यहाँ पे trade कर रहा है, ये lower level से multiple layer of buyers है, sideways auction करके ऊपर का this buyers are there. मतलब यहाँ से price if it has to come down, this sellers has to fail, right? मतलब how they will be failing? Price will start clearly trading below VWAP, slowly trying to go down, clearly trading here. If you want an additional confirmation, you can add a pivot here. आपको दो तीन लेवल्स चाहिए तो मॉनिटर करने के लिए, तो आप पिवोट भी ऐड कर सकते हो. मतलब यहाँ से प्रोसेस बहुत सिंपल हो चुका, पिवोट आपके सामने है. मतलब वेरी सिंपल अप्रोच. If this multiple layer of buyers who are there, यहाँ से pull back, उसके बाद कंसोलिडेशन, उससे पहले कंसोलिडेशन, तो 1 2 3, मतलब 3 layer of buyers are there. For a price to fall aggressively down or even slowly down, all this buyers has to fail. Just think practically whether all those buyers, all this multiple layer of buyers, can they fail in just few minutes or 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes? Can they fail? Yes, no? Just try to answer in the chat box. Can they fail in just 15, 20 minutes? Just straight away candle can fall down without any consolidation or going into sideways? Yes or no? Chances, I'm speaking in terms of probability. May I need bold round ki buyers can never fail. There is nothing here called never, 100% possible, 100% short. ऐसा कोई scene नहीं है. Everything runs on the game of probability, because entire trading is all about probability. Okay, they can aggressively shoot down, yes, but probability, chances कितना है सर? 20% है. 80% chance कहीं ना कहीं तो buyers आके defend करके they'll be coming into the picture, right? तो प्रोसेस सिंपल बन गया. यहाँ पे आपको अग्रेसिव होने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. आप ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो, बस 10-15 मिनट बिना ट्रेड करे आपको, you are not going to lose any big money, okay? But sorry, you are not going to gain any big money, but chances are more your opening tick. Looking at the opening tick, if you are aggressive as an option trader, especially on an initial stage of your trading, or if you are in a loss, definitely आप first 10-15 minute option trading aggressively enter मत करो. Don't enter trades on the first few minutes, probably first 5, 10, 15 minutes of the market, minimum 10 minutes. ऐसा gap down, gap up हो रहा है तो definitely नहीं. In this case, because if the market is opening flat, ना हमको ये चीज will get an approach आ रहे हैं sir. Based on the yesterday's close, today there is no major change. It's just a flat opening on the market. अरे यार dull opening in the market, so you will automatically, your mind will say, okay, very dull opening in the market. Let's see what happens. मतलब ये जो let's see का word is there. Let's see means you will be waiting because you don't have a clarity. जहाँ पे market close हुआ वहीं से 100 points up or 100 points down में price is opening, तो यहाँ पे there is no major change. So your mind will not react aggressively. But just say once we see this, sir, 500 points minus, sir, now market will be volatile, sir. If we catch the first 5 minute or 10 minute ka muna, we'll be making this much money, sir, that much money, sir. These are all just storytelling. On real practical way, you will be psychologically completely disturbed. Okay. To be honest, what I check on option buying, I don't check PCR. I don't every time open every 10 minutes, 15 minutes and check OI data. I don't check open interest option chain data every 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I also do option buying. When I'm more confused, I look at the option chain data. Okay. After few days, planning to do a free webinar on option buying, in detailed free webinar. So far, I've done 2 webinar on VWAP and price action. So next free webinar is more or less planned to be on option buying only, on in detail 3 hours of webinar that I'll be let you know when I'm doing, how I'm doing, and what is the time span I'll be doing. I'll be updating on Twitter and Telegram parallelly also. Okay. So these are 3 stages, and point number 4, very important. Until price is more trading above and near VWAP. So this is very important point. Price is trading above and near VWAP. There is major difference. Price is trading here and price is trading here. Can you see distance? This is very near. This is very far. When price is trading near and around VWAP, better. What I do is I don't plan any bearish trade. If price is around and near VWAP, I don't even much think of any bearish trade. Same way, here if price is trading here in higher level, selling pressure is coming, is higher level sellers zones are there, price is rejecting from any reference level, I'll be planning my trade expecting price trade back as my target as VWAP. That is called mean reversion trade. Okay, in this case, this is called a mean reversion trading. If higher level sellers zone is there, price is struggling to move up, getting a pullback or rejection or giving a breakdown. So I have a cushion कि price as an high probability sellers can minimum come to the VWAP. इसको बोलते हैं mean reversion, because higher level buyers are failing. Price minimum will come back to the mean point or the midpoint. VWAP को कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं सर. VWAP is also called as mean point. Chances are there. यहाँ पे आपको probability ज्यादा है, risk भी इतना नहीं लेना है. Risk to reward ratio आपको favor करेगा. It will favor the risk to reward ratio. But if you want to short here with VWAP very close here, मतलब आप just notice this, you will be getting reward this much. आपका stop loss कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे कुछ रहेगा. तो आप risk is more, reward is very less, and always don't underestimate VWAP. Always never ever underestimate VWAP. ऐसा नहीं कि सर आई एम टेकिंग अ शॉर्ट साइड ट्रेड हियर तो VWAP इज वेरी क्लोज, आराम से प्राइस विल रीच द VWAP सर, क्रॉस द VWAP. डोंट इवन थिंक ऑन लाइक दिस. VWAP from my experience I tell you that's one of the most dangerous one. जब आप we were thinking कि price will easily cross VWAP, it will touch the VWAP, it will roam around here and will shoot up like anything. Okay, you will be dangerously stuck on your trades. Okay, that's the one more thing. On second stages, if price is trading below or near to the VWAP, I make sure to not plan any bullish trades. चाहे वो option buying करो, option selling करो, directional perspective में the rules remain the same. Let's say price is somewhere here and VWAP is यहाँ पे है, तो कहीं ना कहीं let's say buyers is there here, buyers resistance zone is there, sellers are struggling to cross below. Let's say we have any reference level यहाँ से reject हो रहा है, तो आराम से high probability price can come near and around to my VWAP. So I have a cushion here for my target to trigger with less disturbance. With less disturbance. यहाँ पे आपको cushion है 30, 40, 50 points में VWAP है, कोई गारंटी नहीं VWAP को आराम से ब्रीच करके चला जाएगा. Okay, there is no such guarantee like that. If price start roaming around VWAP, you will be under pressure, slightly panicking, and small dip you will be, अरे sir, price VWAP से reject हो गया, I will immediately come out of the trade. Okay, don't have that mentality. आप VWAP को देखना, look in the perspective of directional perspective. Simple logic, VWAP पे 30-40 minutes overlap कर रहा है, till the time price is not aggressively moving up or moving down, या फिर VWAP से ऊपर it start trading above the VWAP, pullback rejection, start trading clearly below VWAP, pullback rejection, or price clearly starting trading below VWAP, a breakdown on the downside. This is a good approach on a directional trading, sir. But when the price is more like this, just relax. Because when the price started trading more like this as a directional trader, what will happen? This 1 hour of 30 minutes, 40 minutes of sideways auction, one shoot up or one shoot down, first what will happen? First it will trigger stop losses. So first it will happen stop loss hunting. Uske baad if it is want to move up or move down, then we'll be looking at what is the possibility. More prices trading sideways, one tick, one candle up, one candle down is just a stop loss. And this is what it is, an invitation to retail traders. Come join and get your stop loss trigger. Looking at, sir, big red color candle, sir, now the market will fall, sir. Big green color candle, sir, now the market will jump up, sir. Why? Sir, price after 30-40 minutes sideways, sir. Now it is trying to break out, sir, so I am taking a trade. This is just an unusual logic. Price VWAP to overlap. Price is not clearly above VWAP or not clearly below VWAP. Price is overlapping the VWAP. So ये जो candle दिख रहा है, what would have happened? Similarly, price was sideways, right? So ये breakout, traders will draw a line like this, sir. This line, sir. Price is breaking out, sir. Candle closing above it, sir. I'll be buying above this, sir, with stop loss below this. Yellow stop loss. I'm not telling this pattern will work or this pattern will not work, but what I'm telling, if you want to play direction, let the price stay above VWAP. If you want to play bearish direction, let the price comfortably stay below VWAP. That is what I do it. Again, I'm not forcing anyone, or I'm not just telling anyone you have to do this only. This is just a session for purely on an educational purpose to make you understand what are all the straightforward mistakes you are doing every day in the market, and later on blaming the market. The market mera stop loss trigger ho gaya, market has triggered my stop loss. You are blaming later on. Let me tell you honest, it's your mistake. Market का कोई गलती नहीं है. Market has not done any mistake. Okay, try to understand it. Then you will be getting more clarity of the price. So now, once these are the 4 steps. Probably I planned this session for 1 hour with last 10 minutes Q&A session. Okay, so these are the 4 important points. This might look basic for few traders. Arey sir, ye to basic hai, mujhe bhi malum hai. Even you might know all this topic, but are you implementing daily? No. Are you implementing daily? No. But aapko malum hai. Everyone knows everything about trading, sir. But how many traders implement? Okay. So one question is, what candle did you trade today? What is the logic? Sir, the trade today, you can check the live market session where I was showing you how I have traded, what I have traded, everything there. Okay, if you want to get everyday live market, you can join the live market session, because from tomorrow the live market is extended to 4 hours, from morning 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. afternoon. And again, it's a free, nothing is being charged. You might have a thought process why it is free. Let me tell you one thing. When I was new into the trading, when I was approaching few of the persons to teach me, guide me about the trading knowledge, everyone was just simply telling, buy the course, buy the services. That's the answer which I got. Okay. Even now the scenario is being played same way it's been played out. Buy the course, buy the service. This is what told to me by many people I have approached in my initial stage of trading. I want to break this. I want to disrupt this. Where to join your live session, sir? I do every day. Every day I have update on Telegram channel. Every day I have update on the Twitter. Paras sir, I believe you are following me on Twitter and also following me on Telegram. To get the immediate notification, you can stay on the Telegram channel. Okay, of the all live market session. Okay. I have a full plan of first disrupting everything and first making traders maximum on a free to show you how practical trading can be done, how the way it's a real trading can be done without jumping in. I'm not telling you should never buy any paid course or paid service. I'm not telling like that, but first of all, you need to have the foundation. First of all, you need to have a foundation knowledge, clear-cut practical approach of knowledge. practical way in which you need to be more focusing on the market. Everything should be there. That I'll be continuing to do it on a free. That is the intention. That is the main case I have started doing the live market session. That is the main case, main motive of doing the daily live market session on YouTube live. That's what I want is your support. Join the live session, stay on the session, understand the market. Will be making money along with everyone. Okay. Trading is all about profit and loss. Profit and loss आएगा, आज profit आएगा, थोड़ा सा loss होगा, वापस profit आएगा. But आपको एक approach, if you don't have a basic approach, basic plan, then blindly sitting in front of the screen again, it's of no use. Okay, this session recording I'll be providing. Okay, this session recording I'll be providing. Don't much worry on it. You will be getting your recordings. Okay, just those who want recording, just message me on the probably on the Telegram. Message me. You will get the recordings. Okay, आपको recordings मिल जाएगा. Just traders who want the today's session का recording, just please message me on the Telegram. Okay. So now quickly let's quickly address few questions. Few questions are coming in. Time is almost 9:30 here. For 10 minutes, I'll take a questions. Okay. And I believe everyone are part of the Telegram channel. You can stay connected because tomorrow morning also the live sessions is there and all market session live sessions will be there. Okay. First of all, Akhil sir is asking, can I get earlier webinar recording also? That I'll be planning, sir. Okay. That I'll be planning. It might take some time. Telegram, how to message me? Just simple. And just check the Telegram channel. I have shared the link where you can just click on it and you can message. Okay. Yes, VWAP session, price action session recording. Balram sir is asking, please share about option selling and its adjustments. We'll try to plan one separate session on option selling and this one called adjustments and all. Okay, let's quickly address few questions here. Santosh sir is asking, please arrange a session on CPR. You also experience in this three: volume profile, market profile, and order flow. Yes, I use market profile and order flow, sir. I don't use much on volume profile. One question from Udit sir, he is asking, I think 2-3 times he has messaged. How to avoid fear of booking profits earlier? Many times I took a trade and trade moves in my direction. But when it comes back to my price, I fear and book profit earlier at the day and it gives me a good move. Also, when I don't book earlier, I wait at the day my asset, it's even market moves in my direction. Very simple, sir. First of all, SL is getting triggered. That is different scenario. I'll be on the live session. I'll be showing you how retailers easily get their SL triggers, how to avoid it. I will be showing you practically with live examples on the live market session, okay, sir. But when it comes to how to avoid fear of booking profit earlier, try to trade less quantities. समझ लो Udit sir, if you are trading on any bank nifty or nifty option, let's say you are trading with 15 lots, trade 1/3 of it, whatever quantity you are trading. First of all, to come out of the fear of booking profit earlier, trade 1/3 of your regular quantity which you trade, and during the trade, don't look at MTMs, profit loss. Don't look at the MTM. If you believe in your plan, believe in your process, just focus on that. Option selling, you do ITM or slight OTM, sir. Option selling, I don't do ITM ka selling. Minimum I do ATM or OTM ka selling on options. Okay. One question is, Sarji, can we scan stock using VWAP for intraday and swing trading? So to be honest, scanning stocks using VWAP, that will not benefit in any ways. Okay, you have to wish better is you look at the stocks visually, or if you want to focus on stocks for intraday, choose all the heavyweight stocks from various sectors. Probably if you want from banking sector, choose the top stocks. Kotak is ICICI, Axis, If you want to focus on IT, focus on Infosys, TCS, SCATech, like this. Choose 3 to 4 sectors. In that top 3 to 4 heavyweight sector, then the work is done. Murari sir is asking how to repay you if we get success. Sir, very simple, Murari sir. If you have any intention, the knowledge which I am trying to share, if you want to repay anything, just go and donate to some needy people near you. Okay, that's it. I'll be more happy on it. Udit sir is asking when to book profit then. Sir, if you are following any system or strategy, Udit sir, you will have an exit plan also, right? So based on the exit, you should have an exit plan. If you don't have an exit plan, that means you are not following any proper system or strategy. Vikas sir is asking, are you using Fibonacci in your trading setup? No, sir. I don't use any Fibonacci. How to select strike prices? Very simple process. Let's say Bank Nifty is trading around 39,000. One strike price on the downside, minimum one strike price on the downside on the call side. One strike price above if I want from the ATM on the put side. Okay. Okay, one question is at what time new traders may plan trade? New traders can plan trade anything after first 10-15 minutes. That will be better, not in an urgent. Okay, can I define some point when I get that much point and close the terminal? Sir, you can't trade in the market based on the any time kind of a span. Okay, time span we can't tell or we can fix any point for a target. To be honest, fixing point for a target is one of the wrong way of trading. You can better fix in perspective of risk to reward ratio. Okay, you can fix everything in the form of risk to reward ratio. Sunil sir is, yes, Sunil sir, you already messaged me. I think the problem in coming entries are only entry remaining. All I have controlled. Yes, sir, that is what Sunil sir I have told. I will showcase you in the live market how the things can be more worked out on the perspective of entry. Okay. Chalo, great. One thing Murari sir is telling, I am from Jharkhand. Let me know if I can help. I can be helpful anytime. For sure. Thank you, Murari sir. Very kind of you. Okay. Simple logic. If anyone want to, for the content I'm sharing or for the live market session I'm doing, as two traders are asking, how can I repay you? Just go donate straight away. Go buy some food or buy some clothes and give it to some needy people. That's it. The job is done. Okay. Great. So any other questions to address? Any other questions to address? Okay, one question from is I would like to know your opinion on multi-strike price straddle selling. Okay, so probably you are selling triple straddle, right? By the name EDR. Nifty is trading around 17,500, selling 17,500, 600 and 400. Triple straddle. So triple straddle, very simple thing, sir. If you are selling triple straddle, what is your intention, sir? Do you want to play directional approach or a non-directional approach? By the name EDR, sir, I'm just asking one question to you. As you want to sell triple straddle, do you want to have a directional approach, non-directional? Okay. So, मतलब आप non-directional approach रखना चाह रहे हो for an option multi-strike price selling, try to understand. Definitely, you will be trading with stop loss on each legs. I believe you will be trading with stop loss on each leg. Okay. So don't deploy all the multiple straddle on a single time. Okay, multiple. If you want to do triple straddle, don't deploy everything at the same time. As you want to play, you are placing 50% asset. So now I believe you would have already done any back testing on it also. If I'm not wrong, as you're perfectly telling any SL straight away as 50%. Okay, I've done a back testing on it. So, matlab scenario same if you want to play dribble straddle. Okay, very simple approach. First of all, don't execute all the straddle at the same time. Then give some time. If you ask you are into back testing, just try to go and back test by doing it on different time span. Let's say for if you're sorting one straddle at let's say probably by 9:45, matlab try to give 20-30 minutes buffer and then take second one, 20-30 minutes buffer and then take third one. Try to do the back testing with the same, you might get some different result. Okay, Krishna sir is asking when the market is trending, how to ride profits. We mostly come out earlier from the market. Very simple, sir. First of all, if you are following any strategy or system, there will be a risk reward based target. Let's say you are entering some bank nifty option with 50 point or stop loss, and your intention is to capture 1 is to 200 points. Okay, once you are capturing that 100 points, you are booking your profit and coming out. If you want to execute any other fresh trades in the market, wait for your system to again give a trade, because trending market only 20 to 30% of entire year market goes into one sided. So उसके हिसाब से it's more better you can trade with a fixed risk reward based target. आपको target मिल चुका है, if you receive your target, you book and come out of it. Wait next whether the another trade is coming in as per a trade setup. If it's not coming, just relax. Tomorrow market will open. Just stay calm. It's not like after you book profit, price is moving up. My target got triggered, sir. 1 is to 2. After that, price is moving up, sir. I have missed the move. Don't have that regret mode. That is the problem. Which time frame is best to find direction of market? First of all, there is no best time to find direction in the market. There is nothing called best. For intraday, I use 30-minute and 5-minute time frame. Anand sir is asking, please share the VWAP session which you did 2 weeks back. We'll try to share, sir. What we need to look for index BTST only on price action or other thing. So I personally don't do BTST much, so I can't comment on the BTST. I can't comment much on the BTST. Okay. Okay, time is almost 9:35. So thank you so much. I believe the 4 points which I have shared will be useful to you, or you might be knowing it, or it might be new to you. But even if you know it, you have to implement in live market, then only it will help. Having knowledge without implementing, without execution is again a waste. It will not benefit you in any way. So start implementing. How? We'll be doing it connected on the live market session every day morning 9 a.m. all trading session. Okay. Okay, is it advisable to keep position overnight for buy call option impact on premium? Sir, to be honest, I don't much do option trading for positional, so I'll be not a good person to advise you or suggest you in the current your question. Okay, so fine, well and good. Thank you so much for attending this session. We'll meet you all. Good night. We'll meet you all in the tomorrow's live market session sharp by 9 a.m. Not 9:20, 9 a.m. Okay. Good night. So I will end this session right now. Thank you so much. We'll meet you all tomorrow. I will end this session right now. Those who have messaged me will get your recording.